to Sav's Glam Beauty. I am super happy to be doing this project because I have never done anything like this before. The first thing I'm gonna show you here today is this mold. I've never used anything like this before, so I'm hopeful that it'll come out nicely and all of that. And I'm gonna be using a clear melt and pour soap base today because I'm using these two beautiful colors, the white and the best pink I've ever seen, okay? Now, I'm gonna be making three colors. I'm gonna be making the clear base, the pink, and the white. That's why I have these 3 cups here. I also have my funnel, my thermometer, my cute cutter, and some fragrance oil. You guys know I love fragrance oil. Like, I like everything to smell good, okay? And I also have my rubbing alcohol to bust all my bubbles and the soap measuring, I don't know how you call it, just the soap measuring thing. Okay, so let's just jump right into this video because I cannot wait to be playing with all this pink. Okay, let's do this. Now, I'm gonna be starting off with this soap base like I showed you. Okay, oh, it's easy. Okay, I'm gonna be using this whole soap because I really don't know how much goes in there, so yeah. So while I wait for the soap to melt, I'm just gonna get my coloring ready because with this soap, melt and pour, you have to work very fast and I don't wanna be delaying with anything. So that's why I'm using this time to just get my coloring ready, okay? So let's check on our soap and see, oh yes, if all melted, okay? Like, it melted down so well. I am happy with this. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to split this in 3 parts, like I told you. My pink in there like so, and grab my white, put it in as well, and just get the ball rolling. This is a lovely looking pink. Like, it look a little different for me because I have never worked with a transparent melt and pour soap before, so this is pretty new for me. Okay, it's pretty new for me, but I can do it. I'm gonna be using this. I don't think it's as white as I wanted to, but I'm just gonna work with this. I am happy and excited to be doing this because I have never done anything like this before. Okay. All right. I'm gonna be using some Optifine. So this is my mold. I'm gonna get my mold ready by using the rubbing alcohol first in it, like so. And then I'm gonna be using this, the funnel, to pour them in because I'm looking for a particular design, okay? Okay, this is the moment of truth, okay? Now, all our soap is ready for pouring, okay? I don't know which one I should pour first. I think I'll pour the white first, okay? Pour the white first. So we are back with our soap. I am super nervous. I don't even want to like demold this, but yeah. And by the way, I'm not gonna be selling this soap. This is just a test that I'm doing. I'm just gonna be giving these away to family and friends and all of that good stuff, okay? So yes, let's demo this, okay? I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. But anyway, God, how do you get the soap out of here? Like so? Is it like this? Okay, it's working. I did a little bit of swirl soap here. I don't know if it making any sense, but we shall see. Oh my God. Look here, y'all. I'm proud. I am happy. Oh my God, look here, guys. So I don't know if this is a good angle. I'm gonna be using my pretty cutter and I'm gonna just cut it in a way that the way in which I like, okay? I am not really happy with the outcome of these soaps, but for the most part, I at least attempted doing something new and something different. So actually, I'm not mad at it. I'm just not as excited as I was when I started, because I really had high hopes for this soap, but it didn't turn up like the way in which I wanted. But at the same token, like, I'm not mad. Anyways, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye bye.